In this video, we are going to discuss about service valuation, which is the first concept of the key concepts. So, what is service valuation? The service valuation is a mechanism which helps organization to recover at least the expenditure incurred on providing the IT services with additional monitorial as applicable. So, it is a mechanism which recover at least the expenditure which is incurred on the IT services. So, what are the types of expenditure we will be discussing here? The types: cost recovery, actual. So, what is the actual cost needs to be recovered. So, when there is a loss for an organization, that will look after this concept here, service valuation and charging. So, this as per this mechanism, the expenditure, that means the actual cost, needs to be recovered. So, coming to cost plus fixed fee. So, cost plus fixed fee, as it states, the name states here clearly, apart from cost, the fixed fee also should be recovered. Cost plus percentage of cost. So, the cost and also the percentage of cost which is incurred on the expenditure. Cost plus incentives. Apart from cost, there will be incentives as well, which will be recovered based on the service valuation for the services. Notional charging. So, what is this notional charging? Notional charging is nothing but an additional charging which is incurred on the expenditure. What is fixed price? Fixed price is that for this much amount of IT services, this is the charging, is the fixed price apart from the cost incurred on it. What is time and material? Based on time and material also, the expenditure is invested on the service valuation.